Okay, today we're going to Apedale. It's an old colliery, can't say it, mining place. Been closed many years, and it's it's a bit of a museum there and a cafe. But today there's there's something on. I think it's like a classic car show, but we'll know for sure when we get there. Got my brother and his wife with me today. They're in front there. He's on his Harley. First time he's been out on it for ages. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're a bit early actually, though it doesn't really matter. Because you can just go there anyway. It's a lovely day today. Although, when you get to see this video, it's probably middle of winter. I've got quite a few backup videos to sort out, so yeah, I think it'll be a while till this gets released. It'll give you memories of what the summer was like anyway. Yeah, it's a bank holiday Monday today. Bank holiday Monday on a glorious day. So it's going to be busy. I've caught them up. Just constant traffic lights. We're in Newcastle under Lyme at the moment. Just constant traffic lights all the way through there. We're not far away actually. We'll turn off left up here a bit and then pretty much there. Got a nice possible Ford behind. Can't make it out. Take it he's going the classic car show. Should turn off here, I think. Yep. Probably turn off at this roundabout. Well, yeah, you've got to really. Apedale Valley. Couple of old cars in front there, looks like a Rover, and can't make out what that one is. Oh, it's a Triumph. Yeah, here we are. Don't know where we're going to park. We don't want to be going in the exhibitors field, do we? Shouldn't be many here at the moment anyway, because we are, like I say, I think we'd have been on the early side. Shouldn't have to pay to go in. Maybe they're just marshalling. So yeah, that truck's still behind. I think we'll park in this car park here on the left, to be honest. Yeah, I think we should have parked back there, to be honest. Here's the railway, yeah, they've got a bit of a railway going on. Little steam train. Apedale Heritage Centre. Yep. This chap's going to tell us to turn round. No, I don't think we should be in this field. I'm overeating here. There's a decent turnout and we're early yet, so yeah, it should be a good day. Do we get in a bit of shelter though? We're stuck in this field in the sun. Well, yeah. Different. smell the two-stroke of that scooter. And that concludes our visit to Apedale and the, well, it wasn't the mining museum because we never went in the mining museum, but yeah, our visit to Apedale. You can have a tour of the mine, although it's not much of a downer mine because I think it was an open cast pit this was, so you know, you don't go down very far. But yeah, interesting place if you're in the area. That's Apedale and Silverdale, Newcastle under Lyme. Yeah, one or two cars here now, people parking everywhere, so yeah, they've had some visitors today. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.